Hello guys, welcome. This is HBECEGH. Another wonderful day. Now, if you look on the screen, there is a question. Convert binary 10011 to base 10. What are you thinking? What is this question about? Is it math or computing or what? Now, this is math question at the same time computing. But for now, we'll be focusing on computing. Now, why this question? Last year there were so many predictions about this is come, sorry, this one will come, this one will come, this one will not come. But of late, WAEC way of asking question or certain examination question is different. So if you are relying on a poll or someone or an external source, please, it will be very difficult for you to pass your exams. The most important thing is that you should be able to understand what you are being taught in the classroom. And once you get the understanding, regardless of how the question will be asked, you can find your way around it. And that is what we'll be talking about right now, right? Now, if you look at this question, it says convert binary 10011 to base 10. Where from this binary and where from this base 10? Now, it is a Form 3 topic. I think I have it here. It's a Form 3 topic. That is B9, B411. You can check from here, from your textbook, and you'll be able to get it. Now, understanding is the key. So I'm going to take my time to explain. Even if you've been taught in the classroom, you can get more information here. And after that, you see how best we would solve the question will be easier. And in case it should pop up in the exams, you should be able to solve or understand. And I'm highly anticipating a question like this, either in section A or section B, right? Okay, so now let's see. When we say number system is all about way of writing numbers that both humans and computer can understand. Now we have types. Basically we have three. The first one is decimal, which is base 10, binary base 2, and hexadecimal base 16. Now let's tackle base 10 and base 2 for now. Now, when we say decimal, decimal is commonly used in everyday life for generating counting and arithmetic operation, and that is what human beings understand. And it is base 10 because the digits are 10. It ranges from 0 up to 9. So if we should count, we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 0, so sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the digits are 10. That is why we say it is base 10, right? And base 10, which is decimal, is what human beings understand, and that is what we use for counting and performing any arithmetic operation. So maths that we solve, we use what? Any of this what? Base or this decimal numbers. Now the computer doesn't know the 2, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 9. It doesn't understand them. So it uses binary, and the binary it uses is also called the base 2. It is called base 2 because it uses only 2 digits, and the digits are 0 and 1. So as you can see, human beings, we use what? 10 digits to perform counting and arithmetic operation. But the computer uses 2 digits. That is why it is called base 2. So base 2 because it uses 0 and 1, 2 digits. Base 10 because it uses 10 digits, 0 up to 9. Now, the computer doesn't know this decimal numbers that we are talking about. But if you look on the keyboard, you wouldn't see 0 and 1. You will see 0 up to 9. So it is decimal numbers that you see because that is what we understand. So any operation that you want to perform, you will input 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, whatever, because we understand that. Now, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 that you are keying in into the computer, the system doesn't know. It doesn't understand. So how will the computer be able to interpret what you have entered from the keyboard and give you the good results? That is where conversion comes in. So the system will convert the binary digits that you have entered into it will convert the decimal digits number that you have entered into binary so that the computer will understand before it will generate the result. So in this syllabus or under this topic that you are learning, WAEC or Ghana Education Service want you to understand how computer operates and how computer works. You see, it shouldn't have been included in the syllabus, if I would say, but it is good because if you proceed to secondary school and you learn computer engineering, you don't find yourself wanting. So I'm happy that this particular topic has been pushed into the syllabus, but it's all boiled down for you to understand, and that is why we've taken time for you to get it by explaining it in layman's English so that you also get to know, right? So conversion comes in and that's this question. Convert binary 10011 to base 10. So this question simply means that if we have this as an input from the computer, it will be what for the human beings to understand, or in a sense, if the computer give you this, how will you understand it in a human's language? In simple terms, that is what I'll be able to say for you to understand. So we have to convert it, and that is what WAEC is telling you. You should be able to convert. Okay, now how do you convert it? It's so simple. Follow the instructions. Now, what you can do is that we will raise all of this to a power, starting from the right to the left. So we start from right to left. So it's going to be something like this: 0, 1, 0, then 1, 1. So each will have a power. So starting from this. So let me do this one. I think it will be very easier for you to know. Let me use this one. Good. So this one will be power 0. This one will be 1. Is it? And this one will be 2. This one will be 2. This one will be 3. This one will be 4. Good. So we will raise all the numbers to a power, starting from right to left. And the first one will be 0, followed by 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we will use the base to solve the rest of the question. So it's going to be like this. Open a bracket. Let me increase the font size of this one. Okay. Now I guess I don't need this, so let me take it back. Okay. So it's going to be 1 times 2 raised to the power 4, right? So yeah, starting with here. So raised to the power 4, and we need it back. Raised to the power 4, something like this. Okay. Raised to the power 4. Sorry, let me cut this one and put it here. Good. Now plus. So let's copy the whole of this. Let me reduce this so that it will go there. Okay, let me copy this, then paste it so that we'll be changing. So this one will be 0. So we take this one, 0 times 2. Why 2? We got the 2 because it is binary, and binary is in base 2. So we are using the base to do that work, right? Good. So 0, this 0 is here, times the base 2 binary, raised to the power this. So 3, this one will be 3. Let's put 3 here. Then we are adding them. Copy this one to this 0. So we change this one to 0. So this 0 2 will come here, times the base raised to the power, it is 2, right? So 2 here. Then we have this one. Is this one. This is 1. So 1 times the base raised to the power 1. Okay. Then the last one is going to be 1 times 2 raised to the power 0. Good. Now, at this point, the thing becomes so easier for us to solve because we will just find the value of this. After that, we do the final calculation. So now it's going to be 1. Now 2 raised to the power 4 will give you what? 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 2 to 4. 4 to 8. 8 times 2 is 16. So It's going to be 1 times 16. So we're done with that one. Then plus 0, right? So 0 times what? 0 times 2 raised to the power 3. 2 raised to the power 3, it is not 2 times 3. It is 2 times 2 times 2. So 2 to 4, 4 to 8. So here is going to give us 8. Then plus what? Now the next one is 0. 0 times what? 2 raised to the power 2 is 2 to 4. So 2 to 4, get this one too. Plus, then let's open another one times. So 2 raised to the power 1 is simple. It's 2. Okay, it's 2. Then plus 1 times. Now 2 raised to the power 0 is what? Any number raised to the power 0 is 1. So just put 1 there. Simple. Now it is easier. So we multiply the ones in the bracket, right? This one, I guess you know. So 1 times 16 will give us 16. 16 plus 0 times 8 will give us what? 0. Plus this one, 0 times 4 will give us 4. Sorry, I'm putting it here. Give us 0 times 4 will give us 0. Then 1 times 2 will give you 2. And plus 1 times 1 will give you 1. So up to this point, we are almost done with everything. All we have to do is to what? Add them. So 16 plus 0 is 0. 16 plus 0 is, sorry, 16 plus 0 is 16. And 16 plus 0 is 16. 16 plus 2 will give you what? 18. And 18 plus 1 will give you 19. Sorry for that. The answer is what? 19. So when we say conversion, 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 this is all about the conversion that you've been hearing in the classroom that you don't understand. Thank you very much for watching the video. In our next video, I'm going to teach you how to convert from base 10 to back to base 2, which is the binary. If you don't understand anything, don't forget to write the question in the section below so that we can help you out. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much.